When I was in middle school, a representative from STC came. They put on a presentation explaining all the options for dual enrollment. To me, it was a no-brainer because if you could come to a school half day and come have fun and learn a trade, why wouldn't you?
Dual enrollment is spending half your day at high school and then staying half the day here at STC. For me, that was a lot better. The period that I was here, I felt like I gained a lot more knowledge than just staying here for 45 minutes and going to the next class.
Being able to only focus on digital design for the whole afternoon, it really helped with just managing my time. I was able to just focus on one thing. I was also able to build my portfolio to then be able to show that to England College as I applied, but also be able to show that to go on to a career, to a job, or get freelance work. So, whatever you might be interested in, and if STC has that, I would 100% dual enroll and be able to spend half of your day being able to do what you really love.
They really check off all the boxes as far as what it is that you need to know. And even though I have done a lot of advanced education, I always go back to what I learned when I attended STC.
After I started working for Willis Smith, I could literally see how the program teaches everything. It's spot on with everything. It's helped me work with people, learn how to communicate. When you come in here, you gotta be responsible. It's basically like a workplace.
They were very surprised that I had the knowledge that I had at work. And now my managers are coming to STC and they're really excited to meet new kids and hire more kids from STC.
My instructors were really great in teaching those skills and also being a very big inspiration to me because they actually were designers in the field, so they have the experience, they have the knowledge directly from their jobs. And I think because of their experience, because of their knowledge, they were able to really teach us and prepare us for what our careers is going to be.
Before finishing, my teacher was like, "Do you want a job? It's a good company. If you want to work for them, you could do an interview." I said, "Yeah, why not?" 2 weeks went by, I started working. Makes me grateful to STC for giving me the opportunity to do this kind of stuff.
Doing this whole dual enrollment thing, for me, I think just fast forwarded my career. So when the time came along to be able to own a salon, I felt more than prepared because I had gotten my career started at such a young age.
If you like hands-on experience and not just being stuck in a classroom all day, this is the place to be. I loved it personally, got me to where I am today, my career path. It really set me up for life. I really appreciate them giving me the knowledge that I have today and getting me to where I'm at.
The great thing about attending STC is when you're in high school is that it's free. It is so worth it. I would tell anybody over and over again, don't hesitate, just do it.
If you are a student and if you have the passion that STC offers, I think it's a great opportunity to spend that time here at STC to learn about your passion and pursue your passion and take advantage of that opportunity.